Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. I got my man Johnny's Fridge 60 out here today. Let me tell you what, this is one bad pit right here. So let's check her out. Like I said, it is our Fridge 60 model. She's all loaded up. We got on our off-road package, upgraded wheels and tires for our guys' mods down in Texas. Stainless steel front shelf with the cup holders on the side. Got to have somewhere to set down your cold snack. Let's check out the smoke chamber here. Now, in all of our fridge models, you're gonna get 3 sliding trays in here. They do all come as reverse flow. That's the only way we'll build them. If you email me asking if we'll do a fridge traditional flow, I will not, because they work so good reverse flow. Why mess it up? When something works great, you ain't gotta change it, guys. Works good, okay? So Fridge 60 reverse flow. We do put removable reverse flow plates down the bottom. That way you can pull them out, makes it easy to clean up underneath. Got his complimentary fire poker in there, as you can see. Stainless steel accents all the way across the pit. TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers in there, of course. We did throw them a custom stainless steel logo on there. Come around with a hot box. Now on the Fridge 60, you actually get an extra large hot box. So over 2,000 squares of cook space just in the hot box alone. Still the same setup. It runs independent from the smoke chamber. So very versatile option here. He also got the insulated firebox. So we got an insulated firebox here, fire management cradle down there in the bottom, D-ring tile 9 points on all 4 corners. And this thing is what I like to call shelved up too, okay? So we got the stainless steel front shelf. We got a fold down shelf on the nose here. Fold that sucker down. He didn't stop there though. We got the rear folding shelf as well. That is shelved up right there. You're never gonna complain about having too many shelves, guys. So that is Johnny's Fridge 60, shipping out to the great state of Texas. Hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.